everyone, welcome back to another A chassis. This is my first one, so welcome to an A chassis tutorial on Roblox Studio. So what you're gonna do is first you're gonna get your chassis, right? So get your chassis, and basically that's your base chassis, right? It's your base. So if you test it out, it works, no problems, everything. So if you test it out, as you can see, sound might be a little delayed, but who cares? At least there's sound. So first, you're gonna get your car model. So let me just insert mine real quick. Gonna take a free model on a body. Oh, that's see that? So what you're gonna do is get the car body. Make sure it doesn't have any script. See? Now let's just use this basic car. It's perfect for a chassis because it's basic. Okay. Now search up rim pack. What am I typing? So it should be this one by Philippi. I can't say it. I don't know how to pronounce his name. So take any wheel out of that or something, and you make your wheels. You open your Explorer, your properties. Make the wheels white so you can see everything more perfectly. Now resize it to where the tire is almost like like in the wheel part itself, so like that, but a little less like this. And you need to like make the outer part of the tire, of the wheel, like poking out, so it will work properly and not they get like bumpy and stuff. So yeah. Also, we gotta make this massless so that it doesn't break or something. Because on the new Roblox update, they made it so that everything can like go bumpy when you not put it into massless. Oops. Just do that. Copy this. Do that. Rotate it. Now you put it onto the chassis itself. So first, you gotta name your wheel model as parts, like with the higher case P and the lowercase everything else. And what you're gonna do if you finish renaming that, you gotta what's it called? Gotta delete the parts with no meshes or parts in it. And you gotta delete those and put these new ones there. Make sure they're in, like rewrite is like rear right and front left and rear left. So you gotta name it properly, or you gotta put it properly, or else it will break and stuff. Now you just position it. And if your wheel models are too big, it's okay, you can resize them. Like this car needs smaller wheels, so do that. And if it's like this, you just select the front wheels and put them back. Do that. Do this. Do that. And there you go. Now what you need to do is ungroup your car body and put it into the body of a chassis. Delete the seats also. You don't need that. And now, what you're gonna do is position your car seat to wherever you want that suits you the best, and we are good for the first part. We're good for the first part. Let's check it out. Let's test it. Alright, so we're in Roblox Studio. As you can see, it works just fine. See what I mean by bumpy? See that? So if that happens, just get all of your car body parts and make it massless, so that it won't go bumpy anymore. Now for the second part, which is tuning. So I've heard a lot of people like messing up with tuning, so this is the way, right? This is the way. You don't need to like edit these stuff. You only need to edit this stuff. Like this line of script. Like just Google the weight of your car and put it there. Now suspension. So suspension, only thing you need to do in my opinion is edit stiffness and damping. That's all I do. And it works just fine, and it works amazing, by the way. And steering, you don't need to change that. But if you have like rear wheel steering or four wheel steering, you go to this line of code and change this to both, so that it will like add rear wheel steering. So like this, that. So this is the horsepower, right? So you just Google your car's horsepower and put it there. This is the idle, where your engine idles, and this is the peak RPM. So also the red line needs to be higher than the peak RPM, or it's not gonna work and it's gonna break. And this is the turbos. You don't really need turbos on a car, right? But if you do, then put it. You don't, like, this is easy to script. Like, if you want one turbo, then tune your boost, set it to whatever you want. And this is the lag, okay? This is the turbo lag. So if you don't want lag, then just put it to 10 or 12. But if you do want lag, put it to 50 above. So there you go. For superchargers, that's the same, but if you want more responsiveness, you just change this to 0.1. And now gear ratios. All you need to do on gear ratios is actually like Google the gear ratios your cars have. Like Google like your car name and add gear ratios after that. So basically that's it for the first part of this tutorial. Hope you guys have a good day, and see you guys.